I would like to now call on stage Narasimhan, Mr. Narasimhan from Schneider Electric to deliver a welcome address on how Schneider is shaping automation and what will be primarily the agenda for today's Innovation Day Shaping Automation program. Over to you, Mr. Narasimhan.
To welcoming you all for this Innovation Day, Chennai. Chennai is always special for me. You know why? Whenever we talk about innovation, what is innovation? Success of creativity is innovation. Whenever we celebrate innovation, whenever we celebrate creativity, the first one to come forward and trying to support us is Chennai team. Thank you all the customers over here for showing the passion for innovation, passion for the solution. Thank you once again for the great support what you have extended to us over the period of years. It's more than 60 plus years where you have been supporting us. Each and every time when you come up with challenges, we are together trying to see how we can fix up the challenges with innovation in place. Thank you once again for being here and supporting us for many, many years. Thank you. Second, there are two important elements need to be discussed. One, we talk about energy, right? Why we are talking about energy? Due to urbanization, digitization, and industrialization, energy consumption likely to get hit by 2 times in next 10 years, right? Look at what's happening on digitization part. We're talking about data centers. 600 megawatt of data center likely to get commissioned in Ambattur alone. Ambattur is 5 kilometers away from here. Just 600 megawatt of electric power consumption. If at all, if you want to Google one word, it will consume 0.29 watt per hour. So-called ChatGPT, if at all, if you translate AI, use AI, it will consume 2.9 watt per hour, which means 10x of power consuming by AI. Without AI, we cannot live. That's going to be a revolution for us. But how do we really look at how do we consume less amount of electric power is the thing what we need to really look at it, right? Why it is important? Because of carbon footprint. The more and more you generate, today 4,50,000 megawatt of electric power capacity what we have in India, which is likely to double in next 4 years or 5 years time. We need to look at how we can consume less amount of carbon footprint, for which automation play a huge role, be it industry, be it data center, or be it manufacturing facilities. Automation will play a huge role in this particular energy transition. While we're talking about automation, what Schneider can give here, which is extremely critical and important piece, we create impact, empowering, make most of energy and resources. Resource available is very limited in the marketplace today. How Schneider will be in a position to support you in terms of making this energy transition perfect with partnering sustainability and efficiency. Today, the biggest challenge for us is efficiency. How do we really work together? How do we optimize process? How do we optimize process and efficiency so that you will get a better equation for tomorrow? What is that, what we do? Why Schneider is today the #1 company in terms of energy management and automation business? We have done more than 38 billion revenue in the world. 1,50,000 employees across the world to take care of innovation. And 5% we devote from the 38 billion to R&D centers. Especially one R&D center located in Bangalore, more than 6,300 engineers empowered in this R&D center to take care of day-to-day innovation. That's the power of Schneider Global. When we talk about India, what is our Indian footprint, right? We are basically from Chennai. We have a beautiful factory located in Pundamalli where we do manufacture MCBs and DBs. When we look at Indian footprint, 31 factories what we have, all the 31 factories are digital factories today. We walk the talk in terms of open automation. We are talking about it today where we have demonstrated automation, how do we do really automation business in our community itself. More than 50 sales officers start from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, cutting across all the places, 1,600 engineers empowered in this organization to take care of customer innovation. Diversity and inclusion is one of the topmost priority for us, And if you look at Pundamalli factory over here, more than 1,600 women employees empowered, to take care of innovation. So we are for India. Why we are saying we are for India? Look at the people. 150,000 people across India, Tamil Nadu, across the globe. In India alone, we are talking about 43%, which means it's a 39,000 employees where we empowered here. That's the power of India today. What kind of a product? We're talking about organization, global level. In India, what we do? There are two important elements. One is energy management, be it medium voltage, low voltage, final low voltage, and automation business. Except automation, we talk about, if at all, if you talk about medium voltage, 11 kV, 33 kV panels, RMU, package substation, we talk about it, and MCB, DB switches, 61439 block set panels, 61641 type tested design panels. We talk about energy management. Then other side of industrial automation business. We are pioneers in automation. We are the first one to invent Modicon PLC in 1957. And we have servo motors. Today we'll be talking more about servos and other industrial automation products where we can talk about it. The biggest advantage of Schneider today is software. There are 3 SNEL, software, services, sustainability with a new energy landscape. Software will play a huge role to ensure that we are on track in terms of energy and consumption and where we are with respect to process. How do we optimize the process? Take the data and trying to see what best can be done here. And if you look at the footprint in India, footprint in Chennai alone we can take. Best example, you name data center. Top 10 data center, NTT, NPCI, NPCL, you name any top 10 data center, 8 out of 10 data center with Schneider, powered by Schneider. Talk about metro, I know a lot of challenges in terms of traffic. At Chennai Metro, 104 stations, 84 stations powered by Schneider. Safety is utmost priority for the people. Metro always focus on safety. Today we have one Schneider basket, including automation business, where we are successfully doing and up-running 44 stations and the balance where need to be commissioned. Be it industry, we are pioneers in industry. We have been doing industry business, Saint Gobain, we talk about it, TVS Lucas, TVS Sundaram Clayton, Sanmar, you name any top industries in and around Tamil Nadu where we are very, very powerful and trying to see how we can support each other on sustainability angle. So this is a where we are very strong, what we do in the marketplace. And I just wanted to thank each and every customer, panel builder, end user, contractor, OER, industrialist, for all your support. With your support, we become a #1 sustainable company in the world. This has been rated by Times. Today is a Guru Purnima, and time for us to thank each and every Guru over here, because each and every Guru trying to teach what we can do better in the life. Each and every customer for us is Guru, and we have been learning plenty of things from you to see what best can be done. Each and every day we innovate products and solutions for you. Because of you, we are exist here. And that's the reason where we got this award. Thank you once again for giving this opportunity. Today, it's very, very important and critical day in terms of open automation. It's a new evolution, what we are trying to brought in terms of an automation. I am also excited to know how we are going to function. A lot of presenters, a lot of panelists are here trying to showcase their skills and also trying to learn from them. With that, thank you once again, and thanks for here and thanks for supporting us. Thank you.
For highlighting Schneider's efforts in sustainability and most importantly, even the diversity that you mentioned, that number of women across and in Chennai itself. And as we all know, the sustainability initiatives from Schneider across the globe has been laudatory till date.